As many of you guys know, I vlog with the 90D. I'm just going to put my camera down. Whoa! Turns out it floats. Hello and welcome to a new video, and today we're going to be going over this Artman case. This is to go with stuff with the Hero 10, which I got for Christmas. Nice bag, you know, quite solid. Nice zip action. Okay, so what do we have? Right, so in the top left, feels like we've got what wants to be a want-to-be gorilla pod. Here's some attachments. A red bit. I don't know what that is. There's one of my favourite ones there. This is just some mounts. Right, I'm just gonna hold it. It could be like that, and also you're filming yourself getting a reaction, or you could have it like that, so you could get over. I think it's more designed for reaction. Some white sticky things. I don't know how well I would trust that, to be honest, but it's another one of these you can. This is a bag. You get this selfie stick. So, can you see that? That's my hand there. Over an arm. So it would be really useful for getting some kind of good shots. This is quite handy. That is very handy actually, and it retracts to. Well, you can get the frame. There's just some more mounts. This is the wrist strap. It's quite fun. It'll just sit here. So if you, this is the chest harness. That's a very good one. This is the floaty boy one. So I'm not sure if it turns upside down. So if you drop it in the water and it floats upside down, I'm not sure. I might try that out. Might try it in the bath or something like that. There we go. Don't know how I look strapping. It's quite comfy. I mean, I'll need to adjust it, like, but yeah, it's quite comfy. That's quite pleasant. Here's a car mount. I think I'm going to use this one quite a lot as well. So just get quite a good. So you can clip this on and then just move it wherever you want, and there you go. And that's just some more screws and stuff like that. Like, there we go. Right, well, if you did like this, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll do a wee float test with this, and I'll put it in the after image. Anyway, thank you for taking the time to watch. See you again. Bye bye. Turns out it floats.